Law of conservation of momentum. When two or more bodies act upon each other, their total momentum remains constant when no external force exerts on it, is called law of conservation of momentum. Momentum is never created or destroyed. It is also called principle of conservation of momentum. Let two objects of mass ma and mb traveling in the same direction have initial velocities as ua and ub respectively, and their final velocities be va and vb respectively. The rate of change of momentum of ball A be FAB, which is equal to ma into va minus ua upon t. The rate of change of momentum of ball B, FBA, is equal to mb into vb minus ub upon t. According to the third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction. Hence, the force exerted when both objects get coiled is FAB is equal to minus FBA. On solving, we have MAUA plus MBUB is equal to MAVA plus MBVB, where MAUA plus MBUB is the total momentum before collision and MAVA plus MBVB is the total momentum after collision. The sum of the momenta of the two objects before collision is equal to the sum of the momenta after the collision when no external unbalanced force acts on it. Momenta is the plural form of momentum.